morning, everyone. We are Francisco and Jose, and we're going to talk about climate change. Right, what is the current ecological situation? Well, since the beginning of humanity, humans have been known for its capacity of reconstructing or adapting its natural context depending on its needs. With the application of creative and innovation with technology. However, this application of technology and the increasing in social demands are the keys of ecological crisis, because it's due to this that the planet Earth has been facing some troubles with the evolution of life. The extinction of living beings and an unprecedented level of pollution in different ecosystems are great examples for the current ecological situation. However, the most dangerous or hazardous situation that we have now is climate change, which not only affects the development of life, it also affects the evolution of a global society.
Planet Earth, since its conception, has suffered from different changes for its climatological conditions. However, when humanity started to be more productive, climate change commenced to act in a very ineffective way. This issue is defined by the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, which is an organization specialized on climate change created by the ONU as a modification in the state of the climate that can be identified by changes in the mean and or the variability of its properties and that persists for an extended period. Therefore, various scientific experts have theorized that this problem started during the first years of the 19th century. Yet, evidence states that this ecological problem really started during the decade of the 1750s, which was the period of time that marked the beginning of the Industrial Revolution era. This era marked the beginning of the increasing of atmospheric greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now, how does this affect different nations? Some of the most hazardous complications of this problem are the melting of ice or different floods. However, it can be also stated that urban zones in development, such as Santiago de Chile, Buenos Aires, or Mexico City, suffer from collateral damages related to this cost issue due to the fact their production and consumption levels are higher than those communities that have already achieved an efficient and modern way of living.
How is Mexico affected? According with a written report by SEDEMA, which is the Secretaría del Medio Ambiente, vulnerable population sectors such as children, senior, and low-income families within Mexico City are directly disturbed by this menace, and it can be presented in forms of extreme temperatures, shortage of food, floods, and shortage or even cut of water. Therefore, it can be stated that it is due to these continuous hazards that regions in progress cannot evolve. This previous statement can be sustained by the message of Mexico City Chief Resilience Officer Kramer A. in 2018 that states climate change is linked to health, water, air pollution, traffic disruption from floods, housing vulnerability to landslides, etc. Which means we can't begin to address any of the city's real problems without facing the climate issue.
Since the beginning of the 21st century, various non-governmental organizations such as the World Bank, WWF, or Greenpeace have developed different strategies to outbreak this ecological situation. Also, these institutions have formed various alliances with various governments around the world in order to obtain a better promotion and enough resources to their proposals. For example, since 2013, the World Bank has been working alongside the Mexican government in order to create different instruments related to financial services, convenience services, and knowledge services. Its implementation are are expected to improve and make changes in the vision and development of society in Mexico.
The solution. However, as Manuel Molina said in 1995, scientists can predict the problems that will affect the environment using the available information. However, the solution is not only a responsibility of the scientific community, but of the entire society. Taking into account these words, we can conclude that definitely climate change or any ecological issue is a responsibility of everyone. This duty has to do with a lot of values and morality that we all have, and we don't have to blame on the scientists or the researchers. We have to blame on us. We have to focus on trying to fix this by ourselves.
Now, so which actions are we taking in order to outbreak